Good morning. Today we discuss about software lifecycle model. So software lifecycle model is classified as a three type: waterfall model, incremental process model, evolutionary process model. In incremental process model is classified as a two type: incremental model, RAT model. Evolutionary process model is classified as a three type: prototyping, spiral model, concurrency development. So waterfall model is nothing but linear sequential model or classification life model. It is an oldest software uh, development process. It is a sequential approach development process. So the waterfall model is classified as a five phases. First is requirement gathering, design, coding and testing and maintenance. So requirement gathering collect the information from the end user. So based on the requirement you go for a design of the process. So based on the design you construct the coding from the particular design. Testing is nothing but to develop the process to uncover the error of the process. So maintenance is the maintenance and your process. So model is a benefit, the simplest model, smaller system we are using waterfall model. Drawback as sequence of flow and difficult to the project. The project only at the end black states. Next is the incremental model. It is used for limitation functionality, refinement and extension in the later releases. So incremental model is consist of four phases: analysis, design, coding and testing. So analysis is to collect the information or requirement from the end user. To based on the design you can collect the information to the analysis to develop the architecture of the design. Coding to based on the design to develop the code, and finally you test the entire process and then release the product. So incremental model we have no merits: less number of peoples involved in the project, technical risk can be managed in each incremental process, very simple time to span, core product can be delivered to the customers. So RAT model is one of the type of incremental process model recommended fully understand component based of construction approach. RAT model development within 60 to 90 days. So various phases in RAT model we have consists of six phases: requirement gathering, analysis, planning, designing, building, development. Requirement gathering is nothing but to collect the information from the end user. Based on the information to design the process is nothing but analysis. So based on the analysis you can consider the planning for entire process, and then to develop the coding and to test the entire process and deploy the projects. So RAD model is multiple team will be multiple team work on the development, various team work on the project. So drawback is multiple team heavily complement community development of the customer, high resources, modularization is a RAD project fail, performance problem. So RAD model difficult to adapt to new technology. Evolutionary process model, it is same the ITT process need to adapt. Evolutionary process model is iterative model. So prototype model, the requirement gathering is done, development and customer define overall the object. The quick designs prototype is prepared. The rebuild the system is high quality, human and machine interaction, and algorithm is adaptive on the operation system. The drawback of prototyping, rebuilding the systems, new system maintain high level quality, implement the compromise. Spiral model is classified as a six phases: customer communication, planning, risk analysis, engineering, construction and release, customer evaluation. The first phase is customer communication is nothing but to collect all the requirement for the end user. So based on a requirement you can plan the process, and then what are the risks available in the each and every phases. So next, engineering is nothing but to develop and test the entire process, and then to finalize the process to construct and release the product. So a customer evaluation is nothing but to all the process is currently work or not, to check the process. The spiral model advantage is requirement change can be made every stages. Risk can be identified and reflected before the problematic. Disadvantages comes customer communication, demand construction with risk assessment. Thank you.